That bitch is hitting the ground. You see it?
It's on the ground. Right there by the airstrip. Look at it spinning.
It's trying right now.
I ain't never seen a tornado in person, bro.
Tell you, boy, hey.
Look at that.
Comes to a little form now. There it goes. Look at it. See it? Look at the small swell. The small swell, yeah. Look at the small swell. That's on the ground there, Bill.
That's on the ground, man. Why are we so excited? I'm supposed to be running right now.
That's on the fucking ground there.
Oh my God. Hey, there's one right now that's touchdown.
Look at it, it's two of them now.
There's two of them. There's two of them just touchdown right beside each other, right on the airstrip. Yeah,
it's falling apart now.
It's falling apart right now, though. No, it's a little baby one, really. Huh? Yeah, David's videotaping right now. Alright. Alright. Water sits in. Yeah.
Look, it's coming back. Those two clouds are spinning.
Where?
Right over there. Two clouds over there?
By the airfield?
Yeah, by the airstrip. That is crazy.
It's going back up, really.
It's gone.